Yeah, good day to you, everyone. We have come again today. We want to look at this question on the board. It said a body of mass 58 grams, sorry, is suspended at the 20 centimeter mark of the meter rule. The meter rule is adjusted on a pivot until it settles horizontally at the 40 centimeter mark. Determine the mass of the meter rule. Solution. So we can say that we should let the mass of the meter rule be m. So let's draw the meter rule. This is the meter rule. Let's assume that this is the meter rule. We know meter rule is 100 centimeter long. So this is 100 centimeter. They said a body of mass 58 grams is suspended at the 20 centimeter mark of a meter rule. You know, if the meter rule is uniform, we are supposed to have the pivot at 50 centimeter. That will be the center of the gravity. But here they said the balance point is at what? At 40 centimeter. So let's say that our pivot is now at the 40. So here now is 40 centimeter. All together. But don't forget that the center of gravity is supposed to be at what? At 50 centimeter. So we are given that a body of mass 58 grams is suspended at the 20 centimeter. So here, from here to here, let's assume that this is a 20 centimeter. So the mass is suspended here at the 20. So let me just draw it like this: 20 centimeter. So here we have this. So the mass here is 58 grams. 58 grams. So we can find the distance from this place. The distance from here to this place, that was 40 minus 20, and that will give me 20 centimeter. So until it settles horizontally at the 40 centimeter mark, determine the mass. So the mass of this meter rule will be at this place, at where we are supposed to have the center of gravity. So let the mass, which is denoted by what? By m, to be here. Let the mass to be here. So the distance from this place to this place, that's 50 minus 10. That will be 50 minus 40. That's 10 centimeter. So we know that this is a moment of force. There's one theorem there that states that anti-clockwise moment is equals to clockwise moment. So these are anti-clockwise, then clockwise. So which means we can say that this times this, that's anti-clockwise, that's 58 grams, then multiply by 20 centimeter is equals to mass times 10 centimeter. So which means 58 times this, that should be 1160. Am I correct? Yes. Gram centimeter. Then multiply by this one will give us 10 centimeter. So here we can divide both sides by 10. If I divide this one by 10 centimeter, if I divide this one by 10 centimeter. So 10, this one we cancel this, then divided by 10 centimeter here. You know why we are dividing by 10? We want to get the value of m. So this. So we are going to be left with m equals 116 gram. So this is the mass of the metal rule.